Establishing a higher standard across the agricultural industry requires accountability and collaboration every step of the way. The voluntary GAP Connections certification program facilitates partnership at every level, from growers and buyers to regulators and stakeholders, to foster an environment that promotes sustainability, profitability, fairness, and competition. GAPC certification is an annual process that requires grower training on the most current information relating to legal requirements and best practices in crop, labor, and environmental management, either in person or online. Record keeping. Records provide a history and verification of practices at the farm. Records can also provide information to see trends in production and profitability and help make critical risk management decisions. Completion of a self-assessment that collects information and data to help measure and report on the impacts of adopting GAPC certification standards, as well as indicating areas where compliance may be improved. Third-party verification with a GAPC-approved monitoring firm includes record review, grower interview, facility inspection, and worker interviews. GAPC certification offers a way for growers to be distinguished for compliance with best practices in crop, environment, and labor, improved decision-making and record-keeping for better farm management, commitment to a working environment that promotes safety and worker rights, investment in the future of socially responsible and sustainable agriculture. There are over 2,000 GAPC certified growers in the U.S. In the tobacco industry, GAPC certified growers grow almost 90% of the tobacco harvested in the U.S. When a grower chooses to become a GAPC certified grower, they receive information from university extension specialists and researchers that help produce healthier crops and sustain the ecosystem in which they grow. GAPC certification helps growers understand and maintain compliance with critical labor laws and regulations, contributing to their sustainability as an operation by reducing the risk of citations, violations, and U.S. DOL investigations. GAPC certification requires due diligence when using the worker programs like H-2A or when working with a farm labor contractor. Moving beyond the laws, GAPC certification provides comprehensive yet simplified steps to provide a working environment that is safe and promotes worker rights, improves communication and relationships between employer and employees, and reduces the risk of accidents. Workers on GAPC certified farms benefit from annual worker training on critical safety and worker rights topics, access to a worker concern helpline that ensures they have a process to report concerns or grievances to, and employers who are informed and committed to following the legally required and best practices in payroll processes, worker housing, field sanitation, and safety. Growers who participate in GAPC certification are provided resources and tools that help maintain compliance and strengthen and streamline their operation. The global focus on ESG reporting has influenced companies' corporate responsibility strategies and made the need for data more significant. No longer is corporate responsibility limited to a corporation's manufacturing and organization walls. Companies that source from GAPC certified growers are demonstrating a higher due diligence in ensuring their agricultural suppliers are compliant with legal requirements and best practices in crop, environmental, and labor management. GAPC certification provides third-party verified data and quantifiable results that allow companies to report on social responsibility and ESG goals, identify opportunities for improvement, and help share the story of how agriculture can provide for healthier soils, richer environments for wildlife, improved water quality, increased biodiversity, and more to address national and global concerns. Buying from GAPC certified growers means confidently buying from growers who continually strive for a higher standard. And GAPC will continue to strive for excellence with our cycle of continuous evaluation, refinement, and improvement, finding balance and delivering the change needed for every stakeholder to succeed.